Today we're going to look at Niagara Falls through the lens of a cell phone and the Canon R6, all run through the eyes and the hands of little children.
Having fun with the camera. Auto HDR mode.
So the key was to give my sons a camera on a tripod, teach them a couple basics on autofocusing points and shutter control using the dial to dial in the shutter speed.
You got to push the autofocus button. Push this button right here. And then you can use the joystick to move that spot where you want to focus.
And the results were actually quite impressive. Slow shutter speed, which a cell phone can't do, using a tripod or some different settings, which is a little more challenging to do. So using a tripod gives you the slow shutter speed. A cell phone actually looks pretty good. I was surprised how good the cell phone looks. But the tripod allows you to have that professional technique of the slow shutter speed, sometimes moving 2 to 4 seconds, giving you that blur, which causes a different look that is not as easily attained, though children can be taught in a matter of 5-10 minutes how to create some amazing professional work using tripod in the Canon R6. Thanks for watching. Better pics in just a few clicks. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos on how to take your photography to the next level.